Okay, babe, you probably don't realize this, but it is like take 3. I really suck at this, but here we go. Alright guys, I decided I'm going to let my boyfriend do the talking today, so I'm going to keep my mouth shut like a good little girl. Don't tell her I said that. This is me warming up. I gotta warm up, get comfy, because, well, don't let her fool you. That's just how she is all the time. And because we can't afford the facelift, she's going to do it the old-fashioned way by just pulling her hair up really tight. You know, see? There you go. It really hurts, but she'd never show it because she's hard like that. Alright, so this is a tube of something that I'm going to put on my skin. You know, I gotta put the lotion on my skin or I get the hose again. This stuff makes me wet and wild because it's fond of the taint, and I really love the taint. And here's me putting it on like war paint because I'm an aboriginal beast, warrioress, honk honk, and well hey, that all just kind of blends in, doesn't it? I mean, it is really kind of amazing how this stuff works. It just kind of covers stuff up, takes away everything, and yeah, I'm not going to pretend that I know how all this works, because she obviously is a pro, and well, hi, my name's Jack. I like jumping into the camera every once in a while, and I love the way the foundation tastes. I am not sure what this is that she's putting on, because I thought it's just another bottle of stuff, because she really likes patting stuff with the honky foamy thing. And here we go, round 2. Yep, that's what she's doing. I mean, it's kind of amazing how it works. She does look somewhat mannequinish. And this is beige, even though it looks like pink, but it says beige, and it's got a red star. I mean, does that make sense? I mean, maybe it does to the makeup people out there. Maybe you guys know. I don't know, but she's putting it on, and she knows what she's doing, so it must be there for something. And by this point, I'm lost. Okay. Now it says it's bronze, but it looks beige. So maybe she got the labels mixed up. The other one was actually beige. What is this feather thing? Like, she's taking it off? Don't let my boyfriend know that I use his feather duster. Oh my gosh. Daisy. See, now this this is how I make my makeup smell like bubblegum, is I get this special cosmetic bubblegum thing, and I use a little brush and I pat the bubblegum and I put it on my face, and then I smell like bubblegum. And then my boyfriend likes to chew on me, I think. Oh my goodness. Wet and Wild Rose? This is different. This is like a spritzer of some sort? Like, is it refreshing or something? Oh my gosh, what was that? That was like some I Dream of Jeannie stuff. More makeup stuff. Is it just me, or does makeup, like, they package it in such a way it almost looks like you could eat it or something? Like, do kids ever end up in the hospital from eating makeup? Because, like, it looks kind of like it would be tasty. Alright, so that makes my eyes look like they're red. ish. Even though you could probably get the same look if you just got the flu and, you know, pale, red-eyed. No. Okay, so this brush seems to be smoothing it out and making the edges redder. Geez, I hope it's the makeup and not her skin getting red. You know what? I'm just going to go with it. We're going to put the orange on now because I think that'll work. Honestly, I think she just kind of like rolls a dice when she does this, but you know, because I don't really get it. I mean, it works. She makes it work. She definitely makes it work. How she picks it, I just don't know. But it does it kind of like, wow. Her eyes almost look like candy now, like one of those, like, tough truffles in a gold wrapper or something. Interesting. I always do. Does that stuff hurt? Oh my goodness, what is she doing? So that's how she does it. Huh. That's some boss stuff there. Huh. If I did that, I'd poke my eye out. I'm going to put something in this black thing on my face somewhere because I have it. I'm going to use it. Oh, it's mascara. Goodness. And she has great lashes, y'all. She's like, honestly, like naturally, she doesn't even need like lash extensions or nothing because she's got it rocking. And now she's going to put some more black stuff on her. Oh wait, this goes on her face, on her lips, and it doesn't look black. How do they do that? Like, you know, we had one earlier that said beige, and it was with a pink label. And then we had a beige thing that said bronze, and now we got black that's like, I don't know, some sort of maroonish. Huh. There we go. More candy. Oh, we got the Jacqueline. I know she likes this stuff. She's going to put it on her face. There we go. Getting all shiny. Boom. Huh. You know, I do that a lot. Huh. It's like, is this another magic thing where she's going to snap her fingers and, oh, see, she did it. It is like magic. How does she do that? Every time she spritzes that stuff on her face, like 2 seconds later, something changes. And yes. Oh, that's the, I can't tell you what that look means, guys. But yeah, it's 2 thumbs up, believe me. Well, it was nice talking to y'all and a lot of fun, and I will talk to you later next time.
Oh my god, that was the cutest thing I ever edited in my life. You did good, babe. I'm proud of you. Thanks for watching, guys.